해람 the anchor is lifted. 조선통신사 sets sail into the unknown. Dawn breaks over Busan Bay. The ropes are caught at last. 100 oars begin to pull. We leave the shore behind. The crowd grows small upon the dock. Their voices fade with the wind. 조선이여 기다려라. We will return again. We are setting sail into the open sea. We go. 닥트를 올려라. 겐카이 타네. 거기 대대요. The wind is in our sails for Joseon and for peace. For Joseon and for peace. The city disappears from view. The mountains fade to mist. Before us only sky and sea, and all that lies beyond. The drums beat on the water. The flags snap in the breeze. 사행의 북소리가 carry us across. We are setting sail into the open sea. We go. 닥트를 올려라. 겐카이 타네. 거기 대대요. The wind is in our sails for Joseon and for peace. Between the two worlds we sail. 조선통신사. This crossing will be written in the book of history. We are setting sail into the open sea. We go. 닥트를 올려라. 겐카이 타네. 거기 대대요. The wind is in our sails for Joseon and for peace. For Joseon and for peace. 조선통신사 Into the ocean.